You are probably aware that by pressing Windows and V brings up a history of your 25 most recent copy and paste actions. As you can see, my history is right here. It includes pictures. But were you aware that it is also a great way to bring special characters into any Word document? For example, when you press the special character option here, it gives you a range of options of special characters to use simply by clicking on it. As you can see, it brings it into the document. Besides special characters, we can also bring in special ASCII characters as well, again, simply by just clicking on it. And furthermore, we can also bring in emojis. As you can see, we are even capable of bringing in special GIFs as well, just by simply clicking on it, as you can see. And so that's just a great way of a great shortcut of bringing these special characters into your document. Hope this helps. Thank you.